Have you seen the changes to the Custom Materials dialog box? When you open the Custom Material dialog box, you'll see the following fields. If you are adding a custom material simply for visual reference, you only need to fill in the code, description, and link to standard material along with your texture image. Check the Show COM part information in Calculations box if you need to include a line for the material purchase in calculations. This will display additional fields so that you can provide ordering information, such as the part number and price per unit. This information will save in a .gm file in your material drop folder, making it easy to load from the material portal or from a previously created file. Click the question mark icon to see a detailed description of each field. Keep an eye out for more enhancements as we continue to improve your material experience in CET.